Hello, today I'm in Dacia Spring. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. Firstly, let's take a look at the left side from the steering wheel. Right here on the left side of the steering wheel we have this panel. To use cruise control, firstly accelerate to desired speed, then press 0 button, and then press minus button. Now your car will automatically drive at selected speed. If you want to increase the speed, press the plus button. To decrease it, press minus button. If you want to pause it, press reset. If you want to start it over again, press minus button. And to turn cruise control off, press the 0 button again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.